I'll learn you. Diversity, teach me. I teach you like university. Freedom be.
What's up, everybody? I'm Dr. CI, and welcome back to our learning series. Y'all know what it is, so let me just jump right into it. This week, we're going to be talking about managing diverse teams. Now, y'all always call diversity and inclusology and say, but how can we recruit diverse people? How do we hire diverse people? And so what we're going to be talking about in managing diverse teams is the step prior to that, which is recruiting diverse teams. How do you prepare to recruit diverse populations? And for the record, y'all love to call candidates diverse, okay? What makes a candidate diverse is the fact that you have homogenous identities in your culture. So do you call your employees homogenous employees? No, but you call your candidates diverse, right? So you are looking to diversify your workplace, all right? If you don't like to call people diverse candidates, then say you are looking to diversify your workplace in some way, shape, or form. Y'all got that? That's more inclusive language. But now, let's talk about what it is that you need to do in order to recruit diverse teams. How do you prepare? Step one, y'all got that? Is a data check. First, you need to establish when you are recruiting, what kind of data is it that you want to collect? Is it race? Is it age? Is it identity? What are the things that you need in order to run an adequate data check for different teams or for the different teams in which you want to recruit? Who's currently on the team? Meaning that you need to break it down demographically, race, age, gender, education level, etc. Because if you're really looking at identity, then the first thing you're going to want to do is think about how you're going to collect different identities for who's coming through the recruitment pipeline, okay? Number two is focus on strategies that are built on cross-cultural communication. And when I say cross-cultural communication, I'm not just talking about international versus domestic culture when it comes to hiring practices. Let us be specific. You need to think about cross-cultural communication strategies and what does it look like to be specific with cultures that are domestic if and when you are recruiting people who are different than you. And culture, remember, is just not something that's physical. It's behavioral as well. It's traditional things that people do when we're talking about not just surface level celebrations, but in all things. Y'all got that? So what does that look like? Focus on those strategies, my people. Next up, strategy number 3. You need to focus on specific underrepresented populations. When you talk about that you want to diversify your workplace, who do you want in the building and why? And you need to create goals that are qualitative and quantitative. Most companies say, well, we want to improve by 20%. Okay, well, what kind of skill set are you looking for if you say you want to improve, for example, women or Black and Indigenous people of color by 20%? That means you're going to have to go to networks you've never been in before. You have to start to focus on areas that you may not have touched that are going to get you a little uncomfortable and cause you to spend some money so that you can go exist within those spaces. But it's not impossible. You just need to be strategic. Your company has built strategies in other places. You can do it in recruiting. You just need to be mindful. Y'all got that? That's the only other tip I'm going to give you. Remember, focus on qualitative and quantitative goals. Talk to us a little bit about who it is that you want to recruit. Get specific. Look at who you want and go to the networks where you need in order to find those people that you didn't have access to before. That's, in summary, some of the things that y'all need to do in order to recruit diverse populations. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot to say, don't forget to stop discrimination and oppression in your workplace, because you can recruit all the diverse teams that you want. But what's the purpose of recruiting them if they just gonna leave when they get there because you have oppression and discrimination in the workplace? You underpay them. You have bias riddled in your policies, your promotions, your successions, etc. Also, work simultaneously on your culture. That's been a word. I'm Dr. CI. I'll see y'all soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And also in the comments, talk to us about some of the challenges that you have recruiting diverse teams, because we take that data and bring you more free content. So I'll see you soon. Y'all follow us and have a blessed day.